Hi, I'm Dr. Darren Stegall with Express Chiropractic and Wellness, and welcome to another Express Health Tip. In this video, we're going to discuss the dreaded hamstring stretches. Nobody likes to stretch them. Everybody needs to stretch their hamstrings. Your hamstrings are a muscle that attaches from your pelvis all the way down across your knee. The problem arises when your hamstrings get tight in that they're always pulling down on your pelvis, which causes all kinds of essentially jamming and misalignments of joints in the pelvis and up into the low back, if not even higher. These muscles have got to be lengthened or stretched because most people are sitting all day, and so those muscles slowly become shortened and they get stuck that way. So to help lengthen these muscles, I want to give you an exercise standing and also an exercise with you sitting, which will be a little safer for anyone who has some low back pain or instability in their low back and can't do the stretch effectively while standing. So what I will do is actually move off to the side. You will likely have a chair. I have a table, and I'm going to put my foot up on the table and keep the knee bent slightly if you need to, as well as the foot that's on the floor can have the knee bent slightly if needed. I'm now going to begin to reach forward for the toe, feeling the pull in the back of my hamstring. You should not feel pain, you should feel pull. If you feel pain, you're stretching too much or there's a problem that you need to have looked at. As well, if there's any pain in the low back, stop and consult your chiropractor or other doctor. I'm reaching for the foot. If you cannot reach the toe and you cannot reach the ankle to pull down, you can grab a belt or some type of band and put it around your shoe or foot, and you can use it and pull down towards your foot to stretch that hamstring. To see it from the other side, I'll put this leg up, and now I've got this knee bent slightly on the left. The right knee I actually have extended because I'm flexible enough to keep it straight, and I'm going to reach out for that toe. Again, if you can't quite do that, bend the knees slightly and start that way to do your stretch. The second way to do the hamstring stretch is to actually sit on the chair or bench, keep one leg bent. Here I'm going to extend out my left leg. Again, if you're more flexible, knee can be straight. If you're less flexible, knee can be bent slightly. Either way, we're going to be reaching for the toe or the ankle, or put the band around the bottom of the foot and pull down. You're holding the stretch 20 seconds. You're changing sides. Either using a band or reaching out, you're now pulling down, just like this. Again, nice pull, slight burn in the back of that hamstring. If there's pain, stop. You're not trying to do damage. You're trying to lengthen the muscle so it will stop pulling so hard on your pelvis and causing that chronic back pain and prevent your back from going out, which again, if you've experienced, then you know you don't want it to happen anymore. Make sure that you're doing this 3 times on each side. As I said, hold each stretch 20 seconds, and make sure that you are just having this as part of your regimen with the other exercises that are prescribed.